the reverse round the corner. If you look at the lower screen, you'll see one of the first things I do is put my window down a little bit to allow me to listen for traffic coming. I do a 360-degree observation and I start to move the car back, going between the mirror and the back window. My left hand's up at 12 o'clock, waiting for the back of the car to reach the point of turn, and when I do so, I turn a quarter turn from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock. I repeat the process anytime I see the gap getting bigger. So I'm going between the mirror and the back window, supplemented with a couple of looks to the right hand side to see what's coming from my right, over my right shoulder. If you look at the arrow on the right of the screen where it says kerb, that kerb never really changes position from start to finish, so I'm always keeping a relatively consistent position the whole way around. When I want to steer away from the kerb, I'm steering away in quarter turns with my right hand, and there's a little bit of tweaking going on towards the end, just a gentle little bit of steering just to make sure that I'm keeping consistently alongside the kerb. We're now going to move on to the drone footage. I want you to look at two things. Again, the back left wheel of the car, that it stays relatively close to the kerb. The position doesn't really deviate from start to finish. I'm keeping a nice low clutch, which is keeping the car crawling around that corner just at walking pace. Again, if you look at the smaller insert picture, you can see that the kerb is staying in a relatively consistent position from start to finish. All the time, just mirror back window, glances to my right hand side, both using my right mirror and looking to my right, and the car's just steadily coming round the corner. All the way back. Again, if anything was to approach me as I'm coming around the corner, I have to stop. That's pedestrians, vehicles, anything like that. Even if you get halfway around the corner, a vehicle comes up from behind you from the road that you're reversing into and doesn't go round you, you need to go back, not quite to the start, but you certainly need to go around the corner and out of their way.